Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on the orchard and the recent sowing of the plum trees. And I'm out here today in zone 88. It's about 74 degrees. It's warm. Very beautiful day. The last few days we did get some rain, so I was walking around the yard checking on the trees, and I just wanted to show you guys this is a good sign of the leaves popping out. So I'm looking forward to next season, and this is the Santa Rosa plum. So this one is doing good, and the other one over here have some new foliage that is trying to come in, and I'm trying to figure out, is it actually completely dormant? I don't think so, but I do see like the buds on it, and it may be preparing for dormancy and to get ready for next year. So that is the Methley plum, and this is some of the new foliage that I'm seeing on it. So these are good signs here. So hopefully this Methley plum will come back nice and strong. And then here's the Santa Rosa, the other Santa Rosa over here, and again some greenery, very good sign. And she seems like she's adjusting to the soil as well. And I told you I used mushroom compost, some bone meal, blood meal, and some slow release fertilizer. Okay, so this one over here, hopefully she's doing okay. This is the Methley plum. So these are all four of the plum trees that I planted. So right now I'm not seeing any greenery on her, but when I'm checking her stems, it looks like she is almost completely dormant, and we'll just have to wait and see if she comes back full speed next season. Hopefully she will. You guys wish me luck. So moving on down, I forgot exactly what tree passed away over here. But look what started growing over here, you guys. Tomatoes. So I've been actually harvesting these tomatoes, and I didn't bring you guys any footage on it, but I was harvesting tomatoes off of this bushel all summer long. Look at this one right here. Let me get this one. I'm gonna try to get that one down there. Yeah, I think I could get it. Oh, we lost one. Let's see. Nah, she's kind of tight. Well, let's see. If I come around here, I could probably get it. Let's see here. Yep. So, got two more tomatoes. There's some more still on there, you guys. And she has not completely passed away as of yet. So I forgot what tree was over here, but it was something that didn't make it. So coming down here, you guys, this is, look at here, you guys. This is, I believe, the Awari Satsuma or the Nagami Kumquat. I've been meaning to show y'all this tree for a while. So look how well it did after getting it in the ground throughout the summer. So hopefully next year I will be able to get some fruit off of this. But it adjusted and got acclimated just fine in the soil. So I was very proud of the vigorous growth on this one here. So y'all already know a lot of the trees is going dormant. This is one of, I think this is the plum, not plum, I'm sorry. This is one of the pears or peach. So y'all can see going into complete dormancy. I will have to do a lot of pruning on this tree as I'm looking at it, and get that hourglass shape that you want your tree to have. So definitely going to sleep. This pear is going to sleep, and all of these trees is going to be chopped in half. Over here is another pear or peach, and still trying to grow, but going into dormancy. But a lot of the trees are confused right now because we still having very nice weather. Okay, over here, check this out, you guys. We got pears, and I didn't even know we had pears. So this is an excellent sign. They're not the greatest, but next year come, we should have a lot of pears on this tree. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this tree gonna birth out them pears. I'm gonna be making sure I give everything some good fertilization and get this one off to a good start. But as you can see, she started bearing some pears, and I think this one here, it may be the second or third year. I'm not sure. I have no idea, but I'm sure this one been here for a minute. I would say at least two, maybe three. So this is one of the persimmon trees, and hopefully after pruning her back, she'll come back with some vigorous growth as well. So this is the peach tree. She is going dormant, and she did birth out. I had 2 buckets of peaches, you guys, and I forgot to bring that footage to y'all, but I had 2 giant buckets of peaches. So she's gonna get a nice haircut as well, and she's gonna get cut back pretty much half, and she should come back very, very strong as well, because I want to keep them. I want to keep a lot of my fruit trees kind of like dwarf height, so that it'll be easier to harvest the fruit. So I don't want them going up to the sky becoming bird fruit like that. And this is I think this one is the cherry tree. Hold on, we still got a label over here. Yep, this is the cherry tree. And we did get some cherries this year. We didn't get a lot, but we got some. So she's gonna get a good haircut as well, and hopefully she come back real strong too. And then here's the other persimmon tree that I think I got about 3 or 4 persimmons off of. And this is another one that has been through some changes, and I'm going to be doing a lot of revamping and seeing about my trees. I'm going to be diligent in seeing about them and getting them comfortable. She's been ran over a lot of times by deers too, but she still birthed out some persimmons. She's still adjusting to the soil and trying to maintain her strength. And over here is the multi-grafted apples. We did get apples. Did we get any apples this year? I didn't see apples this year, so I don't think I did. So we're going to keep an eye out on her. Make sure we prune her, give her a good haircut as well, so she could come back strong. Oh yeah, this is the one that was dealing with the infestation of some type of I think it was some type of carper something disease or something, but she was dealing with some challenges. So that's probably why she didn't bear the fruit. But she did come back and she looked like she was healed. But again, I'm going to be doing a lot of nurturing on my trees. That is that persimmon, and she's gonna get cut completely back, and she's the one that gave me a lot of persimmon this year, so I look forward to seeing what she's gonna do for me next year. And as you can see, she's going dormant. The cold nights is coming in. As you can see, the leaves are changing. And then over here is not sure, it's the Wari Satsuma or the Gabi Kumquat. I'm not sure, but as you can see, she adjusted to the soil as well. Now these over here, the citrus, I'm going to try my best to get them covered up with some plastic so that they can make it through the winter months. But as you can see, adjusted to the soil just well, got nicely acclimated, and just really took off. So very proud of that one as well. Okay, we're down to the last 2 pear trees. This is one. She's gonna go dormant, get cut in half. Then we have the fig tree. We did get some figs, you guys, but the rabbits and the squirrels got to them. But overall, Queen Led did really well this year. As you can see, she's getting taller, so she's gonna need a good pruning, because I think when it comes to fig trees, they only produce on the new leaves, so you have to definitely be pruning your figs. So yeah, so see, they getting ready for next season. Yeah, fig trees I think grow kind of like ginger. they go what's that, vertical? Yeah, they go vertical. Is it vertical or horizontal? I forgot. All right, this is the last pair, and again we'll get completely cut back, and hopefully this following year will be a good year for it. I don't think they're going to bear any fruit this year, maybe the following year. So we're going to be pruning her back. And you guys, I think I did a video before on pruning your trees. You see these little twigs that be at the bottom? You got to make sure you get these off. This is what you don't want on the bottom of your trees. So keep mindful of that. You don't want these there. So I got a lot of pruning that I got to do. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update on the orchard, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, peace.